Okay, so hi dear. Hi dear Cancer. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid-monthly reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of March 2025. Okay, not a career or love or anything specific reading, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Cancer. Your overall energy for the rest of the month of March 2025 is, let's see, Cancer, what we have. We have the Seven of Pentacles. It's just waiting and watching kind of a thing. From your side, you feel like you have done something from your side, perfectly done, perfectly over. Not over, kind of like something is ending or something like that. It's like from your side, you did whatever you could in a particular situation, and now you're just waiting and watching, right? Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Two of Wands. So in the recent past, you were just, again, there was a sense of waiting and watching. There was a sense of things being on hold for some reason. Okay, in the current scenario, we are going to clarify these cards one by one. In the current scenario, we have the Hierophant. So either you are trying to find a mentor or guru or somebody who can help you in like moving forward towards your spiritual growth, and or you are being spiritually very aligned with the universe right now, and everything is kind of making you feel different in a positive way. Spiritual growth. By the end of this month, we have the Rebirth card. Death and rebirth. Something is going to end, and a brand new chapter is going to open up. Let's clarify the Two of Wands in the recent past for you guys. We have the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Fool card. Okay, so what was happening in the past was you were trying to give a direction or a pace to a particular situation with all of your heart and soul, and you tried, but you failed. And then you realized that it was something that you were wasting your time and energy on, and you felt like you should let it go. Letting it go means that even if you were stuck on that particular person or situation, you felt like you should keep moving ahead in your life without wasting your time or energy onto that particular thing anymore. Currently we have the Hierophant. Let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Five of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. Your mind is continuously telling you to do something that your heart is not aligned with right now at this present moment. So basically, your mind is trying to stop you from going somewhere where your happiness lies with all of your heart and soul. It can be collaborations, partnerships, it can be connections, it can be friendships, it can be work or job or career opportunities that your heart is very aligned with, but your mind is not. So you are trying your best to go on this route, on this path, with a spiritual alignment kind of energy, with a spiritual wisdom kind of energy. Okay, that whatever is happening for your highest good, and everything that's going to happen next is actually going to make room for something new. So right now, try to listen to your heart rather than your mind. Trust me, honestly, what happens, Cancer, is when we listen to our heart, no matter what disaster comes out of after that, we are a courageous person. And when we listen to our mind, we always live in some kind of fear. That's the deal. Yeah. By the end of this month, we have the death and rebirth. Something is going to end and something is going to start. A brand new chapter. Let's clarify the death and rebirth. We have the Hermit, the Chariot, the King of Wands. So you will be thinking a lot about ending something, some kind of chapter in your life, and moving to the next chapter of your life, moving to a brand new chapter of your life, feeling very passionate, feeling very much in this energy of this is what I want to do, this is my life, where my life lies, this is where my new direction, new life lies. It's like you are going to think about ending something in your life this time for good, so that you can go to the next chapter of your life with passion, with fire, with this courage, and with this determination of not looking back again, no matter what. So what is happening by the end of this month is you letting go of certain things, people, situations, not just letting go, you ending things for good this time with multiple people, things and situations. and going to the next chapter of your life with the very positive energy, with a very passionate kind of energy of, yeah, this is my direction, this is my path, and I'm going to follow that no matter what, right? Very good. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Pentacles. So might be outside of you are kind of being a very happy go lucky kind of energy, but inside of you still you are struggling with few things that are not letting you to go to the next chapter of your life the way you want to go. Something is still stopping you from going to the next level, going to the next chapter. Something is still bothering you, right? So work on that something. Then you should let it go completely. Come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy completely. Then maybe move forward in a positive way. Then you can move forward in a positive way, right? That's the deal here. So whatever you're holding on to, whatever you're still stuck on, um, you have to let that go out of your life, out of your system completely. Then you can move to the next chapter in a positive way with an open heart, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.